Good morning, class 10. Today we will discuss the point IUPAC nomenclature of branched chain carbon compound. IUPAC means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. This is same like we have the two or more name. One is nickname and one is the official name or registered name like Nikki and Nikita. Same as organic compounds have the two name. One is the common name and one is IUPAC name. That is called also registered or official name. So how we will keep the IUPAC name to organic compounds of branch chain compound. In the previous class we have discussed the naming of open chain carbon compound. So let's start. Children, we know that how we can naming this open chain carbon compound C5H12. The structural formula of C5H12 is this one, in which 5 carbon atoms link together by single bond, which are surrounded by 12 hydrogen atoms. This containing single bond and 5 carbon atoms are present, so its name is pent. And for 5 single bond, we use the suffix or end word ane. So its IUPAC name is pentane. And the common name of this compound is N-pentane, means normal pentane, because this organic compound or carbon compound can be shown in a different way or they have the different structural formula. This structural formula we can write in this way, and this one is called condensed formula, because this first carbon containing 3 hydrogen, second carbon containing 2 hydrogen, third 2, fourth 2, and last one fifth carbon containing 3 hydrogen atom. So this is the structural formula of C5H12 and this one is the condensed formula of C5H12. Now C5H12 we can write in this way, or we can also write in the another way. This compound also containing 5 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and 12 containing 12 hydrogen atom, 3, 4, 4 and 2, 6, 6 and 3, 9, 9 and 3, 12. So by this way we can also write down the pentane. And in this way, the 4 carbon atoms are present in a straight chain and 1 carbon is present in their branch. So it is called the branched chain carbon compound. And how we are naming this compound? We are naming this compound by using the IUPAC rule. In IUPAC rule, first is we will select longest carbon chain. Second thing is alkyl group named separately. This is the alkyl group present in this longest chain of carbon. This we will name separately. And third step in the naming of IUPAC, that is numbered the carbon atom in such a way that alkyl group present at lowest carbon atom. And fourth point we should remember that in this rule, that is Name the alkyl group using its position. Means alkyl group is present in which carbon atom? And last fifth is firstly, and the fifth point is firstly write the name of alkyl group followed by the name of parent hydrocarbon. Now we will try to name this compound. First of all, in this branched chain organic compound, we will select our longest carbon chain, and it is possible in this way. This is the longest carbon chain. If we are selecting only this chain, then contains only 3 carbon atoms. But by this way, we select 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms present in this chain. So this is the longest carbon chain. Now second step is name the alkyl group separately. One alkyl group CH3 is named methyl group. So methyl group is present in this carbon chain. So we will use their name firstly. And the third step we will use, that is number the carbon atom. We can number the carbon atom from left to right or from right to left, both. But we will prefer or we will use always to number the carbon atom in such a way that alkyl group is present at minimum position of carbon atom. If we are numbering the carbon atom from left to right, if it is 1, 2, 3, and 4, then alkyl group is present at second carbon atom. But if we are numbered from right to left, then alkyl group is present at third carbon atom. It means the right way is to number the carbon atom from left to right in this compound because we get the alkyl group at its lowest position of carbon. Now we will name this compound. Firstly, we will write down name of alkyl group, that is methyl, and methyl group is present at which carbon? Second carbon atom. It means its name is 2-methyl. 2-methyl, and name of parent hydrocarbon, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon means bute, and all these 4 carbon atoms link together by single bond. So we will use the suffix, that is "ene", and its name is butane. So the name of this compound is 2-methyl butane.